welcome back. Section 2, talk about the bank reconciliation. This is the form of the bank reconciliation in our books. This basically just makes sure that our check register and our bank statements will eventually line up. So up here is starting with our check number stub with our balance. We write any service charge that we have. We write that our total bank charges. We subtract them to get our adjustments on our bank balance. That's the left side. On the right side, we take our number from our bank statement, our balance. We add any outstanding deposits. Outstanding deposits means that it's not yet on our bank statement, but it's in our check register. So we add them to get our subtotal. Next, we write any outstanding checks here. Again, outstanding checks here will be, it's in our check register, but the bank still has not gotten it and not on our bank statement. Our total outstanding checks number goes here. Subtract our subtotal and our outstanding checks to get our adjusted bank balance. You will see that the left outstanding bank balance and the right outstanding bank numbers balance. Once they balance, you know that everything is in line. Let's look at an example. Recording a bank service charge on a check stub. So this example says August 31st, received bank statement showing August bank service charge of $8. So on our check stub, the part on the left, we'd fill in right here in the middle where it says other, we'd write in service charge, the amount, and our total of how many service charges would be here on this line. And then we subtract them to get our subtotal. To journalize our bank service charge, so anytime it says a service charge and you need to journalize it, this would be considered miscellaneous expense. So to journalize it, we write in miscellaneous expense, the amount in the debit, because it's coming out of our cash credit, and then they will be balanced out. To look at a problem together, 5.2 work together from your book, this is the information that's given to us. We have our bank statement balance, service charge, outstanding checks, outstanding deposit, and our checkbook balance. So we start with our date. The balance on our check stub, we do our number here, check of 106. Our balance is $15.75. It says deduct any bank charges. We have a service charge of $2. So total bank charges, $2. And our remaining balance for adjusted check stub is $15.73. Then we go on the right side, balance on bank statement, $15.28. We want to add any outstanding deposits, which is on July 28th, $150. Total outstanding deposits, and we are adding them to get $16.78. Then we want to deduct any outstanding checks. We add these two to get our total outstanding checks of 105. We take our 1678, subtract our 105 to get 1573. And this number on the left matches our number on the right. So we did it correctly. Step 2 and 3 is to write it on our check stub and to journalize it. So on our check stub, we have our brought forward balance of $15.75. We have $2 service charge, and our remaining balance is $15.73. So this information here for our check stub is the information that we put on the left side of our bank reconciliation. To journalize our service charge, that is our miscellaneous expense, they give us a document number. Coming out of our cash credit, to balance, we put it into general debit. And that concludes our section 2.